Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. So I tried to go out yesterday and shoot some footage. We got about a foot of snow. Today's video is going to be a little different. Got to get something shot and get it up. But the reason it's going to be different is because it is super snowy here in Indiana. So my buddy Gary, he's got a new 2021. Like, I was out here just walking earlier and there are no footprints anywhere. Anyway, my buddy Gary's got 2021 RZR. I'm trying to get him to get his out, but he's being kind of a girl about it, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. I at least want to get out and do some donuts or something. But I mean, it's pretty deep. Like, my foot's pretty far in there. I'm supposed to do this for a little while, so get in here, get this baby fired up, go out and have some fun. And it was freezing cold. I did go out, I did go ride for quite a while, but the cameras that I had with me, the cold just killed those batteries instantly, almost. Wasn't able to get a whole lot of footage. Get a video up to you guys. I am going to go ride today. I've got everything charging, I got everything staying warm, so hopefully I'll be able to capture some footage today. Until then, I kind of want to talk about the deciding factors when I was searching for side-by-side, what made me choose the CFMoto Z950 over at anything else that was offered. For starters, obviously, price point. The machines that were comparable to this were, you know, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars more expensive, and they didn't come with near the factory accessories that this machine does. That's another thing that I want to touch on today, is all the different, probably maybe less talked about accessories that come factory with the CFMoto Z950. Now, when I bought mine, $12,999, brand new, right? And it came with a multitude of different factory accessories that, you know, when I say factory accessories, you know, those are covered under warranty, you know, the whole deal. The warranty was another reason. It had what I felt like was a much better warranty that you could get for up to 5 years. You know, it was pretty much a no-brainer. Okay, so let's talk about some of the factory accessories here, and I'll walk you through and show you them and how they work and how they operate, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so one of the first things we're going to talk about is the LCD display for your gauges, right? So one thing that I absolutely love about this is you see it's almost like in a dark mode. The dark mode is at nighttime, so it's not so bright. It also switches depending on what mode you're in, if you're in eco mode or sport mode. That way there's no question ever. And if you see this up here, this is a little Bluetooth mark, right? So when you turn this on, it absolutely will connect to Bluetooth. You can find it under your settings. If you go to Bluetooth, it'll just be CFMoto. Hang on, I'll show you what happens. I haven't found it do anything else cool other than this.
What's up?
Hey, will you call my phone in like 10 seconds? I'm shooting a video and I gotta show something.
You want me to call your phone in 10 seconds?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right, I love you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. All right, so you'll see it's now connected to Bluetooth. And what will happen is when my wife calls, if I'm out riding, I can't really hear anything, you know what I mean? If it's loud, if she's ever gonna call. You see the flashing green phone sign up there. That lets me know that she is calling me, or someone is calling me. Thank you, babe. That will let you know that your phone is ringing. I have a little mount for my phone, so I can see it. I'm usually connected to my Bluetooth speaker, so that also lets me know when someone's calling. That is a great feature that's not really talked about a whole lot, especially if you're out on the trails, if you're having a good time, you know, and somebody's trying to get a hold of you. You know, you glance down at your thing, you see that flash, and you can pull over, answer your phone. You know, everything's good. So. Okay, so next let's talk about the winch. 3,500 pound winch. I'm not even sure necessarily if it is a brand name or it's made by them or what, but I know it works great. It has comes with a Bluetooth remote. You just hold both those buttons down, goes out, you can run it back in, hold them both down again, and it goes off. The machine does not have to be on in order for this to work. Which comes in very, very handy in situations if you slid off of a hill, or it would just be safer if you were out of the vehicle and had the machine off. Like I said, this thing comes factory. It doesn't come with this stop on it. I bought this off Amazon for like $9 or something. I think every single off-road vehicle should come with one of these factory. The fact that they don't, they upcharge you for that for most brands, just never really ever sat well with me. The fact that CFMoto includes the wired remote that plugs in inside in the glove box, and also Bluetooth remote capabilities. You just can't go wrong there. That's got to be a huge selling point for most people, I would think, because it was for me. So another cool thing that it comes factory with that not a lot of people talk about or mention is a horn. Sometimes out on the trail, if you're stuck or, you know, you're at the end of the line, or you need to get somebody's attention for whatever reason it may be, dude, it comes in super handy to have a horn. And this used to be up here. I relocated it down here when I installed the turn signal switch, but it still works great. Nice and loud. And like I said, it comes in super handy when you're out on the trails or in the woods, or, you know, even road riding. It comes in really, really handy. So they're my area, they are street legal, so it's it's a great thing to have when you're on the road, especially with bigger cars. Another thing that it comes with that is super, super handy is it's got a 12-volt car adapter plug here, and then 2 USB ports here for you to charge your phone, or if you got a little speaker or whatever it might be. So I've got this little mount right here, and I usually just plug my phone in, mount my phone right here, bam, good to go. Okay, so this roof here also comes factory. Got the CFMoto raised letters in the back. Has a little lip that comes down. It's got a nice little like rain gutter type thing up here. Helps just kind of keep water from, running down and, dripping down inside. So up under here, it connects with 3 bolts in the back. You can't see that one, but there's one there, and one there. 3 bolts in the front. Super easy to put on, super easy to take off if you need to install a window, or you're installing a speaker or anything like that. It's great in the summer to keep that sun from blaring down on you. My U-Force did not have a roof when I first got it, and it was brutal sometimes. This trailer hitch also comes in super handy. If you're doing work around the house or out on the farm or wherever, and you need to pick some stuff up and not necessarily drag it super far, trailer up to it and pull it. I know Redneck Garage pulled a camper with his 14-inch alloy wheels, 27-inch stag tires. These things did absolutely great in the snow yesterday. Been pretty good in the mud. They get a little more clogged up than I like my tires to get, but for the most part, they do pretty good. Both front seats, driver and passenger, are adjustable. You can slide forward, slide backward. If you need to scoot up, this bar is also adjustable. Yeah, just an Allen head bolt right here, and then this can extend out or go back in. It does have a tilt steering wheel. so you can adjust it to whatever your liking is, and it'll lock in place. I greatly appreciate the tilt steering. Tilt steering, I think, is another option that most of these machines should have, just because you've got everybody of all kinds of different heights and sizes and all kinds of stuff getting in here. So LED headlights, LED daytime running accents here that you can also make into factory turn signals. It will turn amber and flash. I have a video for that too. Rear tail lights are also LED. For the rears, to be able to utilize those, they're a 3-wire, so it's just power, ground, and brake lights. But with a Signal Genie, you'll be able to wire that up properly. I hope to do that soon. It's just cold, man, and it's hard to do this stuff when it's cold outside. All right, guys, and there you have it. There's a few of the more talked about options and some of the ones that, you know, never get mentioned at all. You know, obviously you have to buy what machine is best for you and which one you feel fits you best. I just felt that this one was for me. I have zero regrets, zero buyer's remorse. I absolutely love this machine, and I am more than happy with my purchase. So thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you, all the new subscribers, likes, comments, all of that stuff, man. I just can't express to you guys enough how much I really, really do appreciate all of you and the support that you're giving me and the support that you're showing me. We're 4 weeks from me going to Mississippi, I think. 4 or 5 weeks, something like that. We're getting really, really close, guys. And Blake and I are going to do some awesome, awesome stuff while I'm down there. Can't wait to share everything that we've been working on. So thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. Try to stay warm. If you're somewhere where it's cold, if you're somewhere where it's warm, you are extremely lucky right now. So have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.